Imagine being able to travel beyond the confines of your physical body, exploring unseen dimensions while remaining grounded in your physical space. Welcome to the intriguing tale of astral projection. Picture this. A person, let's call them Alex, finds themselves standing in a familiar room, but there's a twist. Alex is also lying down, looking up at their standing form. What's happening? This is Alex's first experience of astral projection. Alex is now an explorer, a traveler of the ethereal realms. They begin to float, passing through walls, soaring over rooftops, and reaching into the vast expanses of the cosmos. The physical world they once knew becomes a distant memory as they traverse through dimensions unseen by the human eye. Along their journey, they encounter a variety of energetic forms. Some of these forms appear as radiant orbs of light, others as complex geometric patterns, and yet others as beings of pure energy. These encounters, while initially startling, soon become a source of comfort and companionship for Alex. As Alex continues their journey, they start to perceive the universe in an entirely new light. They realize that existence is far more than the physical reality we are accustomed to. They begin to understand that energy in its purest form is the essence of everything. It's the fabric that weaves together the cosmos, the life force that animates all beings, and the connective thread that links us to the universe and to each other. This newfound understanding transforms Alex. They come to see themselves not as a mere physical entity, but as a part of a vast, interconnected energy network. They realize that they are not in the universe, but are the universe. This profound insight shifts their perspective on life, sparking a journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Through astral projection, Alex has transcended the physical, explored the ethereal, and gained deep insights into the nature of existence, energy, and the universe. And guess what? This transformative journey, this ability to venture beyond the physical and explore the unseen, is within your reach too. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of astral projection and learn how to embark on this transformative journey. Astral projection is accessible to anyone with discipline and an open mind. It all starts with deep relaxation and focus. As we delve into the techniques of astral projection, remember that the journey begins with relaxation. Deep relaxation, in fact. To prepare for an astral journey, it's essential to create a quiet, comfortable environment where you can lie down undisturbed. Let your body sink into a state of profound calm, releasing tension from every muscle and nerve. Imagine your body as a vessel, now ready and primed for the astral voyage. One of the most critical steps is mastering the vibrational state. This state is the threshold where the physical and astral bodies begin to separate. It's often described as a sensation of subtle vibrations flowing through the body, like a gentle electric current. Embrace these vibrations. They're your signpost that you're on the right path. With practice, you can learn to control and intensify these vibrations, creating a bridge between your physical self and the astral realms. But how do you reach this vibrational state? Well, it's all about navigating the hypnagogic state, that liminal zone between wakefulness and sleep. You're probably familiar with this state, even if you've never named it. It's the twilight zone where you're neither fully awake nor entirely asleep. It's a gold mine for astral projection because it's here that your mind is most receptive and fluid. To harness the power of the hypnagogic state, you'll need to hold on to your consciousness as your body drifts towards sleep. This balancing act requires practice, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Visualize yourself floating or mentally rehearse the sensation of detachment. The goal is to keep your mind alert and focused, while your body enters a state of deep relaxation. As you explore these techniques, remember to track your journeys. Keeping a journal of your experiences is not only a way to preserve these unique travels, but also a tool to reveal patterns and enhance self-awareness over time. Even failed attempts can offer valuable insights. They can uncover subconscious barriers or lead to unexpected breakthroughs in future projections. Astral projection is a deeply personal journey. Your experiences and the insights you gain are shaped by your individual beliefs and intention. Before each journey, set a clear intention. This intention will act as a compass, guiding your astral self through the unseen dimensions and realms. Remember, astral projection is not just about exploration. It's a tool for profound self-discovery, offering access to realms of existence that challenge the boundaries of human understanding. It's an opportunity to understand that our essence extends far beyond the physical, encompassing intricate systems of energetic layers. With these techniques, you are now ready to separate your physical and astral bodies and create a bridge to higher realms. The journey may seem daunting, but with patience and practice, you can unlock the potential to transcend physical limitations and embark on a deeply personal, transformative journey. So prepare your vessel, set your compass, and let the voyage begin. Astral projection is not just about travel. It's a tool for profound self-discovery. This practice opens up a treasure trove of personal insights that can be transformative. As we venture beyond the physical realm, we learn to perceive ourselves not just as physical beings, but as intricate systems of energy. This understanding of our multidimensional nature changes our perspective on life and existence. One of the most profound benefits of astral projection is the ability to explore unseen dimensions and realms. This journey, while being grounded in our physical space, allows us to experience the vastness of the universe firsthand. The sense of awe and wonder that comes from such exploration can be deeply humbling and enlightening. Astral projection also enables us to transcend physical limitations. Imagine being able to travel to distant galaxies, delve into the deepest oceans, or ascend to the highest mountains, all while comfortably seated in your living room. The freedom and possibilities are truly boundless. In addition to these external explorations, astral projection can also lead to internal journeys of discovery. Some practitioners report encounters with spiritual guides or energetic forms during their journeys. Others even report glimpses of past lives. These experiences can provide profound insights into our own being and help us understand our place in the cosmos. Furthermore, astral projection can be a tool for self-improvement. By setting clear intentions before each journey, we can influence what we encounter. This can lead to personal growth and development as we learn to navigate and control our spiritual journeys. Finally, the practice of astral projection can enhance our self-awareness over time. By keeping a journal of our journeys, we can identify patterns, reflect on our experiences, and gain a deeper understanding of our subconscious mind. In conclusion, the benefits of astral projection extend far beyond mere spiritual travel. It's a practice that can lead to profound personal insights, a deeper understanding of our multidimensional nature, and the ability to transcend physical limitations. Astral projection opens up a world of possibilities, allowing us to explore our own consciousness and the universe around us. As with any journey, preparation is key when it comes to astral projection. To embark on this transformative voyage, it's important to establish a clear intention before you begin. Intention acts as a compass, guiding your consciousness through the astral plane. It's not just about where you want to go, but why you want to go there. Do you wish to explore unseen realms, or perhaps seek wisdom from astral entities? Or maybe you're hoping to glimpse your past lives or uncover universal truths. Whatever your purpose, hold it in your mind as you prepare to project. Next, let's talk about grounding and energy alignment. These rituals help create a sacred space for projection. Grounding techniques connect you to the earth and stabilize your energy, making it easier to transition between physical and astral planes. Energy alignment, on the other hand, balances your energetic layers, enhancing your ability to navigate the astral realm. You can incorporate these rituals into your preparation by visualizing roots extending from your body into the earth, or by imagining a beam of light aligning your energy centers. Now, onto the importance of journaling. Keeping a record of your astral journeys not only preserves your experiences, but also reveals patterns over time. It enhances self-awareness and can even lead to unexpected breakthroughs. Don't overlook the value of documenting failed attempts, as these can often reveal subconscious barriers or provide insights for future projections. Lastly, remember that astral projection is a deeply personal journey. Everyone's experience is unique, Shaped by their beliefs, intentions, and openness to the unknown, you might encounter spiritual guides, energetic forms, or even glimpse past lives. Or you might simply find yourself floating in a vast, serene expanse. The key is to stay open to unexpected encounters and unique experiences. Embrace the journey, for it is not just about the destination, but the insights gained along the way. Remember, astral projection is a deeply personal journey. Stay open to unexpected encounters and unique experiences. Astral projection is a gateway to conscious exploration beyond the confines of the physical body. It's a tool for profound self-discovery, offering access to realms of existence that challenge the boundaries of human understanding. Through techniques like mastering the vibrational state and navigating altered consciousness, you can unlock the potential to transcend physical limitations and embark on a deeply personal journey. Remember, relaxation is key. Deep focus and stillness of the body will allow your mind to become the portal. The hypnagogic state, that liminal space between wakefulness and sleep, serves as an ideal launching point for your astral travels. This journey is as unique as you are. Your experiences, your encounters, they are shaped by your personal beliefs and intentions. So approach astral projection with an open mind, a sense of curiosity, and the readiness for self-discovery. So are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? The universe awaits.